Wow, see this necklace? It's super soft and you need only 5 minutes to make this. Hello everyone, today we are creating this dreamy super soft necklace completely by hand. So stay till the end because this fluffy transformation is going to be amazing. And for this DIY, I'm using pastel color velvet yarn and I have cut 5 strips of length 10.5 centimeters. For making a petal, I'm joining the two ends and by joining this into middle creates a petal. Total I have made 5 petals and sticking them together to make a 5 petal flower. Then similarly I have cut 10 strips of pink velvet yarn and again I am making petals. Here I have decreased the length of strip than the first flower so that it will look smaller than the first flower. For making pollen, I am rolling a small strip of velvet yarn and sticking it to the middle. I totally made 2 flowers and I will stick these 3 flowers together. For more beautiful look, I am adding loops with sky blue velvet yarn and sticking at the joints. Pink flowers give sweet and trendy look, and white flower in the center adds balance and softness. And these tiny blue leaves makes the whole necklace look fresh and magical. Totally, I am adding 4 loops. Isn't it looking very beautiful and trendy? And this step needs some patience so that everything stays neat and secure. Wow, see this final look, it's more beautiful than I thought and it's really looking like bought from any store, right? Now I'm turning these flowers back and adding white woolen to hang this necklace. Now I am adding jump rings to both the ends of white woolen. And I am joining this to white woolen by making knots. Now I am adding necklace hook to one of the jump ring. I am also putting some dots in the flower center with fabric outliner. Wow, the final look is more beautiful than I thought. From simple velvet yarn to aesthetic handmade jewelry. Hope you all guys enjoyed the video and follow my channel for more interesting videos.
I absolutely adore this choker. The yarn flowers are so soft and it matches the floral hair clips perfectly. What do you think?